We are here at this office building in Barrington, Illinois, 1300 Grove Avenue. And they have this pretty interesting elevator. That's cool. Okay. So it has a replace call button here. Okay, it may look normal from this angle. If you step inside, it has a glass ceiling. Look how cool that is. So we're going to you don't want to. Winds down like that. So this is an automatic elevator. Here's the phone. There's the cab. It's a pretty nice vintage cab. Okay, let's go to 2. And I want to show you guys something on 2. Look at that. It has this weird Electrodyn call button. See, it doesn't press. That's cool. Does that have sensors? Let's see. Nope, no sensors. There it goes. That'll be